what I explained you so far, let me see again. First, we have seen cohesive forces. Cohesive forces are the forces between the molecules of the same substance. For example, forces between the molecules of the water. It will be called cohesive forces. And whereas adhesive forces are those forces between the molecules of different substances. For example, force between the molecules of water and glass. Adhesive में देखो यहाँ पे D आ रहा है और different substance. So you can just remember, in case of adhesive forces, it is between force between the molecules of different substances. ठीक है? So after that we have defined angle of contact. Angle of contact of liquid with the solid is how it is defined. देखो, it is a tangent drawn at the curved surface. Why the surface are curved? Because of, again, adhesive and cohesive forces are responsible. Surfaces, top surfaces are, which are called meniscus also. They are usually curved, concave upward or convex upward. Again, adhesive and cohesive forces among the molecules of the substances in contact will be responsible for this. So angle of contact is the tangent drawn at the surface at contact point, liquid surface at contact point, to the solid which is in contact with the liquid. ये angle आता है theta. इसमें the tangent surface drawn will be like this, and solid in contact with the liquid will be downward in both cases. तो ये theta इसमें obtuse, इसमें acute, एक में more than 90 है and इसमें less than 90, acute and obtuse. ठीक है? Got it? So that's the definition I have written here. Angle between tangent to the liquid surface at the point of contact and solid surface inside the liquid. Therefore, contact point pair. Therefore, it is called angle of contact. Contact जहाँ पे liquid solid के साथ contact में है, there only angle is there. And solid का किधर का लेना है? ऊपर ये नहीं लेना है. Solid कौन सा part लेना है? जो liquid के contact में है इधर. उसके साथ angle कितना बनना है? Clear? तो significance I was telling you, significance जो है, angle of contact जो है, angle of contact if it is less, then what liquid will be wetting the surfaces. Meaning is this, if you draw the liquid, if you take out the liquid, suppose glass container लिया आपने, glass vessel, water डाल दिया, if you drain out the water, some particle will stick to the glass. ऐसा होता है, glass में से पानी निकाल दो तो water molecules stick हो जाते हैं glass में, because adhesive force और जो है there is role is there and angle of contact will be less. जितना कम है उतना उसमें they will stick to the particular substance. And if angle of contact is more than 90, then liquid molecule will not stick to the solid. For example, mercury and glass or water and lotus leaf. अगर ये lotus leaf की आप ट्यूब बना दें, water उसमें डालें तो उसके साथ भी angle will be more than 90 degree. There also lotus leaf and water will not be sticking to the lotus leaf. Angle of contact is more than 90 degree there also. So when the angle of contact is more, such materials are used for waterproofing materials like umbrella, raincoat. Raincoat की जो substance है, उसके साथ water का angle of contact will be like this angle, more than 90 आएगा. So waterproofing agents have got more angle, more than 90 angle with the water. So water cannot wet them. Water cannot penetrate inside the gaps of the fabric of that particular that umbrella, raincoat, and waterproofing that agents, they all have the angle more than 90 with the water, angle of contact. और angle कम कहाँ पर होता है? Like that cleaning quality, we need detergents, we put it in the water so that angle of contact will be decreasing and water can penetrate inside the fabrics gap of the fabrics and take out the dirt and dust. तो जब हम डिटर्जेंट डालते हैं, हीट करते हैं, तो एंगल ऑफ कांटेक्ट गोज डाउन, वाटर एंड फैब्रिक्स का, and then it is having the better cleaning quality. तो एंगल कम करेंगे तो क्लीनिंग क्वालिटी बढ़ेगी, एंगल बढ़ाते हैं तो वाटर प्रूफिंग क्वालिटी बढ़ती है. They will not fit. Got it? So that's what is the day-to-day life में uses of this particular topic. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the point which I told you I have written here, ये जो waterproofing agent का यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा ऊपर कर देते हैं इसको. If theta is greater than 90, liquid will not wet the solid. And for example, mercury and glass, raincoat, umbrella cloth and water, lotus leaf and water. And when theta is less than 90, then liquid will wet the solid, for example, glass and water. So they already have explained you this. Angle of contact will be the deciding factor. And how it is formed? It is again forces, intermolecular forces and intramolecular forces, adhesive forces and cohesive forces. They will be responsible for the angle of contact. So definition can be asked. Define the angle of contact. You have to write this definition. ऊपर जो लिखा है, that definition is okay. ठीक है. It is also useful. Angle of contact is also useful to explain how the liquid climbs in the capillary tube. Capillary tubes are the narrow tubes. How the liquid climb into the tree against the gravity, and cotton wicks against the gravity, how it is climbing. That is responsible. That angle of contact and other points are responsible for that. ठीक है? So let's see further. ये भी मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया अभी. Soap, detergents and dyeing substances. Dyeing substances are wetting agents, and when they are added to the water, angle of contact becomes small, so that they may penetrate well and become effective. तो एंगल ऑफ कॉन्टेक्ट डिक्रीज हो जाता है डाइंग सब्सटेंस मिक्स करने से, या फिर सोप एंड डिटर्जेंट वाटर में मिक्स करने से एंड हीट करने से भी. तो दे बिकम मोर इफेक्टिव फॉर देयर पर्पज. एंड वाटर प्रूफिंग एजेंट का भी हमने अभी डिस्कस कर ही लिया. ठीक है, तो दिस पॉइंट आई कैन शिफ्ट इट ऊपर. ठीक है, तो दैट्स हाउ दीस 2 पॉइंट्स आर यूज्ड इन डे टू डे. एंगल ऑफ कॉन्टेक्ट इज यूज्ड इन डे टू डे लाइफ. ठीक है, without our knowledge. So let's see further. Clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay. There is other way of defining. ऐसे भी define कर सकते हैं. Angle drawn here at the contact point and part of the solid in contact with the liquid. ये mercury and glass surface पर ऐसे बनेगा, and water and glass पे ऐसे. It will be like this. So tangent will come this side, and solid in contact with the liquid will be this side. So angle will be acute. Or in mercury drop, mercury के लिए it will be obtuse. So like this also we can define the angle of contact. And next one is the excess pressure in the liquid drop and bubbles. जो liquid drops होती है या bubbles होते हैं, liquid bubbles होते हैं, उनके अंदर कुछ extra pressure होता है to overcome the effect of surface tension. देखिए ये suppose ये drop है या bubble है, surface tension ऐसे surface tension will tend to compress it. Surface tension की क्या tendency है? To minimize the surface area. The pressure inside and pressure outside are not equal. Pressure inside is greater then pressure outside to overcome the pressure, overcome the inward force due to surface tension. Surface tension जो है, जैसे मैंने बताया ना, बबल का एग्जांपल, आई मीन बलून का एग्जांपल लो, है ना, तो बलून में जो है that elasticity, that due to elasticity and all that, pressure is inside pressure is more to counteract the to counteract the inward tension of the balloons material. ऐसे ही बबल के लिए भी सरफेस टेंशन का जो नेट इनवर्ड फोर्स है उसको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए प्रेशर इनसाइड द बबल एंड ड्रॉप इज मोर कॉल्ड एक्सेस प्रेशर. Excess pressure in the liquid drop and bubble, pressure inside the drop and bubble is more than that of outside pressure to counteract the pressure due to surface tension. Surface tension की pressure को counteract करना है. Otherwise, surface tension force will crush it down completely. Alright, so pressure is more inside the bubble and drop to overcome the surface tension. So how much more? That's what is the derivation. Next derivation, important derivation. You will be asked to derive the relation for surface tension, I mean excess pressure inside the bubble and drop. So let's do that. We have the two equations. Excess pressure निकालने के लिए एक तो आपका W is equal to WSA वाला फार्मूला कल हमने डिराइव किया था, वर्क डन इज सरफेस टेंशन इनटू चेंज इन एरिया. दूसरा फार्मूला W is equal to फोर्स इनटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. दो इक्वेशन मिलेंगी, दोनों को इक्वेट करने से. और फोर्स क्या होता है? फोर्स इज इक्वल टू प्रेशर इनटू एरिया. यहाँ पे प्रेशर डिफरेंस लिया जाएगा, प्रेशर इनसाइड एंड प्रेशर आउटसाइड. तो these three equations will be used to get the excess pressure inside the drop first. सबसे पहले हम ड्रॉप, लिक्विड ड्रॉप को लेते हैं, उसके अंदर प्रेशर, एक्सेस प्रेशर निकालते हैं. ठीक है, दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट डेरिवेशन. लेट्स डू दैट. सपोज स्फेरिकल ड्रॉप ऑफ द रेडियस r is in equilibrium. ये ड्रॉप है, इट्स रेडियस इक्विलिब्रियम है. It's initially its radius increases by dr delta r due to the excess pressure. Initially जब फॉर्म हो रहा है, एक्सेस प्रेशर थोड़ा सा इसको इंक्रीज करने की कोशिश कर रहा है till it comes to the equilibrium. So dr is the delta r is the slight increase in the radius. Then extra surface area, extra surface energy पहले लिखेंगे, एरिया बाद में यहाँ पे आएगा. Extra surface energy is W is equal to delta A into S. कल जो फॉर्मूला सीखा था surface W is equal to SA, I told you. A is the change in area, है ना. तो डेल्टा उसका एक्सेस प्रेशर की वजह से थोड़ा इंक्रीज हुआ till it comes to the equilibrium. तो फाइनल सरफेस एरिया माइनस इनिशियल सरफेस एरिया. इनिशियल तो 4 पाई r स्क्वायर, डेल्टा आर थोड़ा सा रेडियस बढ़ा है till it comes to equilibrium. तो फाइनल इज दिस. तो 4 पाई r प्लस डेल्टा आर. डेल्टा आर जो है इट इज इंक्रीज इन द रेडियस. तो इसको एक्सपेंड कर लो और ये आपका इनिशियल एरिया है, ऐसे लिखेंगे. यहाँ पे देखो W A फाइनल माइनस A इनिशियल. कल लिखा था हमने ऐसे, A इनिशियल into surface tension S. No space to write, just a minute. थोड़ा सा स्पेस बनाता हूँ मैं. तो फाइनल सरफेस एरिया, इसको एक्सपेंड कर लो. इनिशियल एज दिस, इसको जब एक्सपेंड करेंगे और 4 पाई को अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, फर्स्ट टाइम विल बी 4 पाई r स्क्वायर, लास्ट टाइम इज आल्सो 4 पाई r स्क्वायर, गेटिंग कैंसल. और ये जो है ये डेल्टा आर इज अ वेरी स्मॉल, डेल्टा आर एन वेरी वेरी स्मॉल चेंज इन द रेडियस टिल इट कम्स टू द इक्विलिब्रियम. तो दिस विल बी नेग्लेक्टेड, ये पूरा नेग्लेक्ट कर सकते हैं. विल बी सपोज चेंज इन रेडियस इज से 0.001 मीटर, तो स्क्वायर करेंगे इट विल बी 0.0001 मीटर, तो वेरी स्मॉल. तो दिस कैन बी नेग्लेक्टेड. तो बच्चा क्या अपने पास, ये बचा. 8 pi r delta into surface tension outside ये वाला. So this is the equation 1, work done and surface energy का और change in area का surface tension का relation. Surface energy यहाँ पे work done है, ठीक है. दूसरा work done का formula force into displacement. Force is equal to pressure into area. So that's what we are going to use the second equation for our work done. So let's do that second equation. ये clear है यहाँ पर? बोलिए. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No
sir.
response coming. Okay. तो ये क्वेश्चन WSA से बनाई हमने, है ना, ये वाले. और ये टर्म छोड़ दिया येलो वाला, नेग्लिजिबल, इसको नेग्लेक्ट कर सकते हैं. नाउ सेकंड इक्वेशन बनानी है वर्क डन की. लेट्स सी. Let Pi is the pressure inside, PO is the pressure outside of the drop. Then work done by excess pressure will be. So work done is equal to force into displacement. dr is the displacement, increase of radius. So force क्या होगा? Pressure difference into area. F is equal to P होता है, P is equal to F by होता है, pressure is equal to force upon area. तो force is equal to pressure into area. तो pressure जो लेंगे ना, change of pressure inside minus pressure outside. तो जो extra pressure है, that is responsible for the extra expansion and that is responsible for the work done. तो pressure delta P लिखा, Pi minus PO. Area, surface area is 4 pi r square and delta R is the expansion, change in the radius, increase in the radius. So this is the equation 2. 1 and 2 को equate कर दो, excess pressure का relation मिल जाएगा आपको. So see, this is the final step. Equating 1 and 2, तो यहाँ पे equate कर दो इसको ऊपर. Equation 1 से 8 pi r delta r into s. तो ये 4 pi, यहाँ पे 2 बच जाएगा, एक r भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा और डेल्टा r भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा. तो ऊपर 2s बचेगा और ये r को नीचे शिफ्ट कर देंगे. तो 2s upon r, excess pressure is 2s upon r. R is, s is what? Surface tension, है ना? R is the radius. Surface tension of the liquid, R is the radius, है ना? दो टर्म पे डिपेंड कर रहा है एक्सेस प्रेशर. उसका सरफेस टेंशन कितना है? मोर सरफेस टेंशन, मोर एक्सेस प्रेशर, एंड रेडियस के इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल है. स्मॉलर द ड्रॉप, मोर विल बी द एक्सेस प्रेशर. इनवर्स है, देखो, जितनी छोटी ड्रॉप होगी उतना ज्यादा एक्सेस प्रेशर होगा, उससे प्रेशर डिफरेंस विल बी मोर. गॉट इट? So this is the derivation which is generally asked in your examinations. किसी को डाउट है इसमें? बोलो. This can be asked in 3 marks derivation. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा आप इंट्रोडक्ट यहाँ पे लिख लेना. R is the initial radius, है ना? यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मैंने लिखा नहीं है. S is the surface tension of liquid. R is the radius and PI यहाँ पे लिखा, ये ऊपर ही लिख सकते हैं. प्रेशर इनसाइड, प्रेशर आउटसाइड, ये सब लिख सकते हैं. डेल्टा R is the increase in the radius due to excess pressure. So you can just write and then derive it. तो क्यों होता है excess pressure? To overcome the inward force due to surface tension. ठीक है, डन। Noted.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here? कुछ इसमें पूछना है आपको? These whatever I write important ना, so at the end of class you can just revise it and try to derive it on your own without seeing any step. तो उसको पहले just recall करो, revise करो, then you take your notebook, rough notebook, and then try to get the derivation, because these derivations are asked in your exam, that subjective papers. So you have to practice it same day. Without seeing, you should be able to derive up to the end. Otherwise, one day before or 2 days before, so many derivations, you cannot do it. You have to learn it in advance. Okay? Therefore, I write important means you should always know this derivation, how we have done it. Okay? Okay, moving on to the points related to this. देखो, इससे related point क्या कर सकते हैं? देखो, इसको एक्सेस प्रेशर का थोड़ा सा सिंबल इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं, इसको सिंबल को थोड़ा सा लेट पी माइनस पीओ इज इक्वल टू पी एक्सेस प्रेशर, इसका सिंबल पी दे दो या पीई कर दो. While numerical solving, it will be easy to use. क्या बन जाएगा? पीई इज इक्वल टू 2s/r. ऐसा छोटा small relation we can write while solving the numerical, है ना? If excess pressure is asked, or you can just write this also, no problem. So this is the one, and also pressure inside. ये point 1 लिखा हमने numericals के लिए. Suppose pressure inside the drop. How much will be the pressure inside the drop? If you want to ask, if you want to find out, so PI will be, इसको P नॉट को इधर शिफ्ट कर दो, प्लस हो जाएगा वो 2s/r तो रहेगा ही, प्लस P नॉट. So outside pressure is known, that you will write, generally outside pressure is 1 atmosphere. So we write that value 1 atmosphere is close to 10⁵ Pascal, and surface tension will be given, R will be given. So 1 atmosphere plus this extra pressure outside. That both the pressure added will be pressure inside. Inside pressure is more, है ना? Atmosphere से कितना more है? 2s/r. Got it? If pressure inside is asked, so you have to use the same formula, you have to change it. And excess pressure is asked, you can write it like this, or you can write it like this, PE, E stand for excess pressure. Clear? Both the points are okay. Derivation, you have to finish it here. But numerical solving के लिए I am giving you the tips. यहाँ तक ठीक है? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or graph, if I tell you draw the graph between excess pressure and radius, if radius goes up, what will be happening to the excess pressure? What kind of graph it will be there? This and this.
Hyperbola.
Excess pressure will drop. Yes, rectangular hyperbola. So it will graph will come like this. Variation of excess pressure with the radius r of the drop of liquid drop. If radius goes up, excess pressure comes down. It is we call it rectangular hyperbola. So this can be asked. Draw the graph. So you have to draw it like this. Got it? So all the related points you should know after the derivation is done. तो छोटी ड्रॉप में एक्सेस प्रेशर मोर होता है, बिगर ड्रॉप में लेस होता है. If radius goes up, excess pressure drops. Can you tell me pressure is more towards the concave side or convex side? Convex side कौन सी होगी? अंदर वाली side concave है या convex है? Inside is concave, outside is convex, है ना? You see any part? यहाँ से ऐसे देखो. So this side will be convex. This will be concave. If you see from this side, यहाँ से देखो, convex will be this, concave will be this. Concave side pressure is more, है ना? Convex side less है. Concave side is the inside side, है ना? Inside is more. Clear so far? Points are you getting these points? Extra points?
Yes, sir.
अंदर की साइड कॉनकेव है, देखो, whole side is concave inside, है ना? Pressure is more. Outside being the convex side, PO is less. PI is greater than PO. कितना greater है? 2S by R. ठीक है. तो let's see any numerical is there in textbook? Yes. ये पॉइंट तो हमने ऊपर लिख दिया. Pressure inside the drop. We have done it ऊपर. इसको हटा देते हैं. Pressure inside we have written here. यहाँ पे लिखा है ना? Pressure inside. So we can just make it inside there. Okay. So let's do the numerical given in the